The College of New Caledonia is excited to introduce the myCNC app to our current students. myCNC is a centralized and secure information hub that provides users with a single entry point to CNC services and resources. Once downloaded, log into the app with your CNC email and password. The home page of the app is organized in the form of cards that contain various services and resources. Each user can discover, personalize, and organize their dashboard cards according to their needs or preferences. There are two different views, Card View and List View. This allows you to customize your homepage's overall look. Choose which one you like best. There are starter cards already bookmarked to the home page, such as important dates and deadlines. Class schedule. My classes. Make a payment. Click on the cards to open them and see more information. At the bottom you will see a notification bell. A red dot on the bell means that you have new unseen notifications. Click on the bell to review them. At the top you will see an announcements drop-down. These are considered important to read and might contain a link to more information. Some cards may have a lock icon on them. Locked cards are stagnant, and you cannot change their placement or remove them from the main page. To find new cards, click the blue Discover More button on the home page, or the magnifying glass icon at the bottom of your screen. Now search for cards that have the resources or services you'd like to use on a regular or daily basis. You can browse the cards by choosing a tag listed at the top of the screen, or by typing search terms in the search field. Cards with the white bookmark icon mean that the card is not active on your home page. Cards with the gray bookmark icon mean that the card is already active on your home page. When you locate a card that you want, click on the white bookmark to add it to your home page. Unlike locked cards, bookmarked cards are movable. Customize the order of your cards as you prefer by simply choosing the Move Forward or Move Backward options on the cards. To remove a card, click the Remove Card from Home Page option. Click on the hamburger menu to find different card categories, standard CNC resource links, and CNC's social media accounts. If you want to provide feedback or new card ideas, use the feedback card on your home page, or the feedback form link located in the main menu, to send in your feedback at any time. Ready to simplify your CNC experience right from the palm of your hand? Head over to your app store and download the myCNC app today.